Okay, so who's ready to draw? Okay. Um, this is on Love is whatever. Um, okay, grab pen, pencil, or any of the three things in here. I don't know why that's there. Let me put that down. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Um, Today I'm gonna draw a wolf. Okay. So you want to make a bump like so. Okay. Let me show you what that looks like. There. And then make a long, long, long thing because they have really long snouts. So you want to do that. Okay. Bring a thing down going like that. This is a little advanced. I'm not saying that it'll like super well because I'm not a very good drawer, but it's just basic. Two little ears, good. There are two kinds of eyes. Okay, I'm going to show you the first one. You can either draw on your wolf in the same area. Look, I'm going to draw it right here so you can kind of imagine how it would go. Okay, so you have your wolf there, right? So, if you want to put cartoon eyes, that's fine. You can, how do we want to do it in this one? Oh, yeah. Bump here. They bump down there. Good. Okay, now we're going to go here and do a big old circle, tiny circle down there. I'm not going to color that in, but you guys color it in, so just, kind of take that and color it in. I'm just too lazy. But for the people who don't want cartoon eyes, before you draw that, you should probably look at both and rewind if you want to see the other one and you want to do that one besides this one. Do a triangle. Like so. Kind of looks messed up now, but it'll look good later. There. Circle within the triangle is. Color in the triangle now so then you don't get like yourself confused and you start thinking that it looks bad. I kind of colored outside of the lines a little bit, so I messed up. But so now it looks like that. And leave it like that until we get back there. So now come down to the face. Go like so. Now they have a really big chest span, so you want to make that all fluffy there. Bring it up for you guys to see. Good. Okay. I think we're going to have a little bit of, sorry, it's just that's in the way. You don't want to, I wanted to like raise it higher than the desk so then you guys could see because I'm working off like a not good computer for this at all. Take the ear and go like that. There. I kind of jump around the page. I don't really start somewhere. I was just watching someone do their horse. I don't know, but they were doing a horse. I'm gonna jump in real quick. I'm so sorry because I think we're at a good area. So just stop for a second, so then I can show you this. So I was like doing the whole cartoon thing. Like these two people are different. Like that's totally different from this. But you might have seen it before if you like put like how to draw. This horse. To tell you the truth, I'm gonna say how I felt. I mean, you guys could feel wrong or something, but I didn't really like how she did the horse. I'm gonna do a horse next in my next video. So this is one wolf, two is horse. So that's how I did my horse. I wanted it to be facing forward because I thought that's how she was gonna put it, and then she like took the body and she kind of went that way, and I was like, no, I don't like that. So I did hers like that. I don't know what her name is, but look her up. She did the duck and She showed me how to do the duck and that. But she did it all in Sharpie, so that's why it's really hard for us people who are doing it in pen or pencil. Back to our wolf. Really sorry. Go like that. Put some fluff in that ear. Okay. Take the body, still making it furry. As you see, it's never like a smooth line, like that. Only at the top of the head, because that's where they have like the least amount of fur. Or I don't know. Okay, so there. Now go like here, because we're gonna make a little bit of leg action here. This should take up your whole entire paper. If you want to make it small, that's fine. You can kind of make up the feet yourself. I'll show you how to do the feet on this page if you're doing it like that. But if you're not and you want to take up the whole entire page, maybe you're going to write like save wolves. I don't know, whatever you're doing that you need to be able to draw a wolf. So then bring your chest here down. Okay, chest. Bring this up, down there. Take this and go like so. There. We kind of jumped, but so that's how it looks now. You can't really see the tail in this one, but I'll show you here. Okay. So there. Yeah, I kind of made mine a little too big. It's just how I drew it. Okay, so from here you want to kind of go like this and bring up the tail like so. I'm just going to show you how to do the tail. There. And then, but you don't have to do it like that. Once again, you can do it differently. I'm doing mine like this for this one. There. So that's how I did mine. As you see, there's two different tails here. You can do one of those double tail things, but I don't really do that. And then if you wanted to do that, you could even like come up and do another tail there. If you wanted to make it like ultra fluffy, so you could like go like that. But I don't really like that. I like how mine came out. We're not done yet. Now we have to do the mouth. Let's see, how much time do we have? Okay, 7 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna make my wolf a little angry. His mouth kind of came out bad, but like that. And make like a little slit. Now you're gonna go like that. Because the skin is being pulled back, and then you're going to go up here. Now back to the eye. Go here, you're going to make a big circle, like so. You're going to color that in black. If you want, you can skip this part, but you know, if you want to see how I'm going to do it, take any highlighter. I don't want to really show you what kind of highlighter because I'm not like trying to sell something. Okay, my eye messed up because this marker is horrible. So don't use Expo for that because it just smudges. Bravo, Sabrina. So yeah, I messed up. Awesome. Now color in your nose. Whatever, just color it in. And then put your signature. Always at any of the corners. I do it here. There. Done. And there's your wolf. So. Oh, I hate this. Okay. You see kind of how the eye was messed up there, but other than that, that's how to make a pretty simple wolf. Thanks for watching. Next I'm going to be doing a horse, my bad. And I'm going to show you one last thing. I just got a new art book, or sketchbook, so I drew her, and if you want, tell me if you want to know how to draw her. She was pretty simple. Oh, and I recommend buying an art book. I can tell you which kind this is. You buy these at Michael's in the art area. And they're really good. I mean, the best part is about this one, it teaches you fashion. Maybe once a week when I get good at it, because I am horrible so far. I mean, look how this person came out. Like, Jesus. Christ our Lord. I'm trying not to say Jesus so much, so. Where's that person? No, we're already getting into hair here. Emotions. Still hair. Eyes. Eyes. Okay, here we go. You see, that's how my person came out. It looks like a freaking alien. Ugh. And that's how she was supposed to look. Whoops. That way. The one all the way at the end. Yeah. So here's the wolf. Thanks for watching. If you thought it was bad, I'm really sorry. I'm trying to get a little more, Jesus Christ our Lord. Once again. Thanks for watching. Here's the wolf. I can draw other things. I'm just kind of messy. You see, the office is not the cleanest place to do this. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe if you thought it was any good.